What's happening, all you guys of purpose and integrity? If you know me, you know that I am home. Made it home, gosh, midnight last night after leaving Kalamazoo. Helped Dan the man with some timing stuff on his laser V70R. A couple other things, and I got a few things to do today. Then I have a flight going out tomorrow. It's the only reason why I abandoned my people out there in Chicago. Sorry, Chicago. But in this video, we finished up that S70. Got that thing back to the owner. That thing still has a few things that need to be done. If it was up to me, I would have had that ABS module replaced. Other than that, you know, all the other stuff is kind of maintenance related, except for those tires, man. You have got to make sure you have good tires on your vehicle. Tires is probably the most important safety feature on a car. If those tires ain't no good, you have a blowout or something, man, that could be tragic. So make sure you have good rubber under you at all times. So I got a couple things wrapped up in this video. I checked out the car that was supposed to be up next and had an alternator out of control. Let me tell you something, man. You guys remember that blue car S70? You have got to be careful with electrical and electronic parts that you put on these cars. That alternator was cooking that battery, and you know, that's a fire hazard. So I wasn't able to work on that car, but besides that, I got a couple things I need to do, and then I'm going to get back to Chicago, finish all my folks there before I move on and probably head out west. So that's where I'm at, and I appreciate you all watching, and it's a short one today. So other than that, I'm going to put a bar graph on my videos until I purchase the printer that I'm going to be getting for my t-shirts and stuff like that. So if you want to help me with that, you're able to give a few bucks to that. I'd appreciate it. My request that people give 20 bucks toward it. But hey, I mean, if you can't do it, man, I understand. So if you want to help me with that, look in the description area and follow those prompts there. And hey, I'm going to get going because I got to get on with my walk and a few other things. So have a great day. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Here we are, folks, finishing up on this S70. Time has expired. It's time for this S70 to go. We're going to do the CV axle on the passenger side, reboot it, re-grease them, clean them up, put them in. Then we're going to do the inner and outer tie rods on this driver's side. Get that done. I got 2 Volvo inner and outer for that. Then we're going to do the bracket for these power steering lines, get that secure as best we can, and finish putting these struts in. Get this car out of here. Let's get cracking. Got that brake line loose. Man, it was a fight. Had to vice grip the tool on there to stop that from stripping that nut there. So let's go to the other side. New brake hose. One thing I did not anticipate was the brake hose line was stuck in this bracket, and I had to put a wrench on top of the bracket and tap from the bottom of this brake hose in to get it to pop loose. Let's go do the other side. That thing came very clean, no evidence of any damage on any of the bearings, so we're going back together, folks. We got the CV axle in. Need to put the nut on there, torque that down. Brake line over here is done. Now we can ready to hook up the rest of this strut. But on the other side, yeah, let me go ahead and secure this side down, then get on the other side. That's it. I'm all done, except for I need to find a hubcap for this other side. It's got to be over here somewhere. So I'm gonna dig through this stuff over here, find that hubcap, then I'll be done. In the meantime, I'm gonna back it out, take it for a short test drive, don't want to get a flat, and work up the owner's final and give them a buzz, let them know it's ready. It's a little low on refrigerant. I'm gonna go ahead and service it up, but the AC is working still, which is good. And it was a little low on coolant, so I topped that off. And I'm all done. All I got left is to find that hubcap, and I'm all done. The output of the alternator charging to the battery is 1754. That should be 14.2 max. Normally on these cars, it's around 13.8. That was it. Like I said, that vehicle needs an ABS module, probably a headliner, couple things going on underneath it that's not too bad. But all in all, I think that vehicle should be great for them to continue to drive for a few years. So I hope you all have a great day. Catch you later.